find a solution.
All right. So, hey, everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist, and I'm with the man, Oso. Oso's worked here for, 20 plus years. I just popped in and said, hey, what's going on with this one? And he said that there's something going on with the refrigerator. He's out here, as you can see, with this fancy test light test meter. It's also allows him to put power towards stuff too for testing. And that's probably what he's doing because he's connected to the main power and he's going through and applying power to the circuitry to figure out what's going on. He was just telling me that it's not getting power to the PC board and that somebody's messed with one of the outlets inside and possibly maybe arced it or the wires came loose or something like that. So I'll check out with him in a minute, follow up. But here's another refrigerator, right? We just did another video on one. We were talking about, things that are coming loose, if the paneling's coming loose from the screws, there's styrofoam and stuff in here. There's wood shavings and bugs and all kinds of debris down in here. There's ashes. So if you see that, that's actually ash and debris from the burner chamber getting down into this area. There's pieces of broken plastic that's floating around in here. There's stuff where they've actually, originally installed it in the background back there. So here's another refrigerator that, I don't know if the owner's, is going to see this video or not, but it's here in the shop. Typically, open up this access door, make sure all your screws are good, make sure that your clips are good that go in the actual door itself. Check your PC boards, check all your connections, check your main power going to your block. These two wires go in there, and typically, as you can see how this is a white wire with a red line, and this is just a white. Earlier on the other video that we did, we had a white wire with a green and just a white wire. So anyways, make sure that, color codes in our industry, they're all over the place. It could be black, it could be white, it could be pink, it could be red, it could be purple, it could be whatever they're bought on special that week. So anyway, stay tuned for more and make sure that you're doing your refrigerator services. Yeah, here's one of the power blocks that he was talking about that came loose. So all right, thanks so much for watching, and hey, Oso, good job. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.
Nice to see you too.